Is it just me? When I thought the Harmattan season is over, boom, it resurfaced, but this time stronger than ever, giving me this dry and ashy skin and depriving my skin from glowing. Being a dried skin girly, it has made my skin dried and also dehydrated, but there is a solution to this. I got this particular lotion that changed the game completely. Introducing the Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Butter with Deep Moisture Serum. This contains active ingredients such as cocoa butter and vitamin E. It claims to moisturize the skin using its deep moisture serum. It also claims to lock in moisture up to 48 hours. Those who know me by now know that I love my lotions with glycerin. Glycerin is a very, very good way to moisturize the skin, together with other amazing ingredients in this product to ensure that you get the deep moisture care you need. I love the fragrance. It's giving yummy cocoa butter. Let's take a second to admire the skin. Look at how it's glowing and giving what it needs to give. This product is mainly for dried skin, but can be used by every other skin type. It's amazing how it locks in moisture while giving that glowy, flawless finish. Take a look at my elbows. They're looking really good, really hydrated, and that is what we want. If you're looking for a lotion this Harmattan season to hydrate your skin, to lock in moisture, to maintain your skin, and also the sweet, sweet cocoa butter fragrance, look no further. Nivea Moisturizing Cocoa Butter Lotion got you. Due to the amazing results I have gotten from this product, if I am to rate this product, I am definitely giving it a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. I highly recommend this product for every skin type, but most especially for my dried skin girlies. Found this video helpful? Kindly like, share, and tag Nivea. Thanks for watching. Bye.